Hi, Forex Fortune Hunters, it's Tom Wilmot. Welcome to the video. For those of you who are new, our channel really focuses on strategies for making lots of pips in the Forex marketplace using Metatrader as our trading platform. I will be talking about some of our indicators and adding a little bit to our template double whammy, which is a combination of the chandelier stop and Trend Magic, a very popular indicator that a lot of our folks have downloaded from my Dropbox files. In any event, before we get to that though, in this short video, I want to bring you up to date on something new that's happened with Forex.com. Over the past 3 or 4 weeks, they have changed the server time, and it's screwing up one of my indicators, and I wanted to show you how to go about fixing that problem. So, hold on to your hat. We'll get started with a short video right after this. Okay, Fortune Hunters, for those of you who have been to my Dropbox file and downloaded my indicator session times, I wanted to give you a quick update. And for those of you who are new, session times is the indicator I had programmed that places these lines on the chart, whether it's 5, 15, 20 minutes or whatever. And this gives you an indication of where you are in the day, especially as you're going back over old trades and trying to see whether there was a coordination with one of the new session times. So in this particular case, this is the London session time. And what I wanted to bring to your attention is that you can change that, modify your lines as you see fit with our indicator. So let's right click on the chart. Let's go to the indicator list. And right here is session times. You can see that it exists. And if you take this toggle, you can see all of them that are here on this particular template. But if we go to session times and we edit it, we can see that we can add through visualization. You can either have it only on a certain number of charts or on all time frames. Obviously, the session time doesn't work very well with a daily chart, or even it seems crowded also to me on the hourly chart. So I've limited it to 1, 5, and 15 minutes. But let's go back now to the inputs section, which is really the focus of this. And notice that I have here session mark 1 being 10 o'clock. Now that's on the server. You have to translate that into your local time. I happen to be on the East Coast of the United States, live in New York now, Boston for years, but in any event, I am now 7 hours behind the Forex.com server. Your broker may be different, but that's the change Forex.com has made. So what I have is the 3 o'clock London Open, 10 o'clock. You might want to make that 9 o'clock if you're on the East Coast, because sometimes there's a lot of activity in the Frankfurt and European marketplace before London even opens now. I have also 1400, which is a 7 o'clock, which I use as the US Open at 7 a.m. in the morning for me. And I have also indicated here the New York Stock Exchange opening. And for those that are sensitive, US dollar, Japanese yen, whatever. In the case of the chart that's on the wall, it's pound yen. But in any event, the server used to be 4 hours ahead. And what I wanted to show you is if you make those modifications, if you're a Forex.com customer, you'll be back in sync with what we have on our templates. Okay, so we're going to close this up now. And I want to just show you, if we move to a 15-minute chart, we can see here clearly that we have London, 7 a.m. In Boston, New York. This is our 9:30 line for the New York Stock Exchange, and then I have an afternoon closeout that I usually get out of trades here where things just kind of get soft and slow before the opening of the Asian session. So notice down here, let's see if I can show you by bringing this up a bit in the chart. Down here is where you will find down in this bar right here. I'll show you the time of the particular bar you're on. And the best way to find out about where your server is compared to your local time is simply go to the last bar on the chart. This is a 15-minute chart. Currently it says 16:45 minus 7 for me. That's in the 9:45 a.m. 15-minute candlestick. So I hope that helps a little bit. You may want to update. I'm going to put a new version of session times into the indicator list on Dropbox so that if you're on the East Coast, it will be clear and the times will be preset for you. Other than that, simply change. And once again, let's take a look for the ones that I use here on our indicator list. We have 10 a.m. for 3 a.m. in the morning Boston time. We have 1400 for the 7 o'clock opening, my feeling about the opening of the U.S. market, 1630 for our New York Stock Exchange, and then 20, which is the afternoon time frame, 1 o'clock or so, when things slow down because the Asians are asleep and the Europeans are in the pub, even with social distancing. Okay, guys, good luck with your trading, and tune in for the next one. We're going to be talking about double whammy and double whammy plus, where we've added some multiple moving averages to help with our strategies on getting lots of pips in the Forex. Please check below the video also to see where there are titles of 2 books we published on Amazon Kindle. Both for Forex Power Surge, as well as our book from way back in 2015, which still works great, the amazing Zeelander Flytrap Forex trading system. Once again, both available on Kindle. And if you buy them, I'd appreciate a review. I would also be happy to send you a PDF so you can expand all the charts and illustrations on your own computer screen. Just keep me posted on your progress, guys. And don't forget again, just follow the links to get free access to those indicators and templates that we use every day on our Dropbox.com file structure. So good luck with your trading again. Be safe, stay safe and healthy, and let's get some pips.